If you are wondering if you can find 3 buttons navigation on iPhone 17 just like you can find on Android devices, then the answer is unfortunately no. You cannot really find such a thing. You cannot add buttons to the bottom of the screen in order to navigate on your iPhone 17. However, there is some sort of alternative that you can use instead. So let me just quickly show you. We're gonna go to settings, over here open accessibility, and then you want to go to touch. And over here we can use assistive touch. Let's enable it. And you will see that we have this circle now on the screen, which we can tap on in order to show these different options. And we can actually customize these options. We can go to customize top level menu. And if you want to have an experience that is pretty close to Android, then we can reduce the amount of icons to 3. And we can change these icons. So for example, over here on the left side, we can choose app switcher, which will be the list of background apps. Over here at the top, let's say we're gonna choose the home screen. There we go. And then maybe actually let's try to switch that. Can we switch it like here? No. Okay, so I'm gonna actually apply the app switcher over there, and let's see if we can actually go back, if we can find something to go back to. We have volumes, but it seems that no, we cannot really find that. There's a restart option apparently. And let's switch the app switcher over here. Let's put it over there. All right, so this is how it can look like, pretty close to the navigation that we have on Android. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.